This technique is called stippling, and stippling is where you make dots to shade. The more dots you make and closer together they are, the darker the value will be. This technique is called cross-hatching. You take lines going in the same direction and then take lines going in a different direction over top of that. The more layers you add and the more directions and the closer together the lines, the darker the value will be, and then the farther apart the lines and less directions, the lighter the value will be. Linear shading is when you shade with lines that are all going in the same direction. The more lines and closer together, the darker the value will be, and the fewer lines and farther apart, the lighter the value will be. Gradiated shading is when you fill in an area, and it's best to use the side of your pencil instead of coloring it in with the point of the pencil. You can get various values just by applying less pressure or more pressure. And then you take this is called a blending stump. It's just a piece of paper. And use that and blend the graphite into the paper. See how I'm going around in circles? That makes it more even instead of just going back and forth. You can also use this tool to apply the graphite if there's graphite already on it, and that will achieve a lighter value. This is really good for shading skin. If you're drawing a face or a hand, it really achieves a smooth texture like skin.